FEP is all about excellence in emergency care.
Every patient you interact with, you approach those patients as your family.
As long as you take good care of the patients, everything will work out in the end.
It reminds us every day of the reason we went into medicine, and it reminds me of why I'm proud to be a physician.
Florida Emergency Physicians Group Central Florida depends on these professionals. They are your neighbors who have been providing the most ideal emergency health care in the Orlando area since 1969. 10 Florida hospital locations know they can count on this experienced team of professional physicians and staff.
It's a great relationship. They're mindful that they both depend on each other.
The clear mission being there and serving those in need.
We want to provide top quality medical care on top of this, the human touch as well.
FEP is locally owned and operated by the doctors you see day in and day out. Dedicated professionals who live and work in the community they support in so many ways.
We have committees that we try to involve all our physicians on, not just those in leadership roles, because their input is valuable. After all, if it's affecting your livelihood and your practice, you should be vested in it.
Florida emergency physicians are members of a wide range of important civic organizations: the Orlando Chamber of Commerce, the Florida Chamber of Commerce, and the Hispanic Chamber of Commerce, to name a few. FEP offers critical healthcare guidance to many local business and civic leaders.
We have been fortunate enough to be able to participate in the political process in such a way that the best interests of our patients are protected.
The first thing we do is educate them about who we are, what we do, who our patients are, why it's important for there to be strong medical staffs to be there when patients need emergency access to care.
Florida Emergency Physicians Group is growing with the community, in the community, for the community.
The Orlando area is still has more of a smaller city feel with all the advantages of a large city.
There's a host of things to do here. We have the Orlando Museum of Art, we have the Orlando Science Center.
The community in general is a growing community. Downtown has really been revitalized.
In 10 years, I do believe that there has been tremendous growth. Just the volume of patients that are coming to the ED has exponentially grown.
To be the best, FEP must reach out and find the best qualified, board-certified emergency care physicians. Florida Emergency Physicians Group recruits nationally for those who meet this high standard in order to maintain the most comprehensive care available for this region.
We know the specific needs that our doctors need. You know, we know the specific area, maybe what specific disease processes we need to concentrate on. So we bring in the best in the nation.
I used to see patients that came from the West Coast and the East Coast, bypassing many hospitals to come to Florida Hospital because they felt that there was a special touch there.
FEP has developed a unique mentor program providing training and assistance to all new physicians and staff. This guidance not only allows for continuing education, but also guarantees a smooth transition into the Florida hospital network.
Our residents coming through have the best experience so that they can actually learn top proficient emergency medicine and then learn the business side of emergency medicine. So when they come out, they're going to be the best emergency medicine physicians.
Our team is experienced and provides thorough, comprehensive risk management. In fact, FEP is far below the national average for litigation. In part, we can credit our internal risk management procedures.
What I do with physicians is I usually talk with them if they have a claim against them. I will call them, discuss the case with them.
And continuing online training that drives home the commitment to medical quality control. All doctors with FEP are employees, not independent contractors.
As a physician-run group, we know what your pain is. You know, we know what you're going through. We know what you do because we do it ourselves.
As full-time employees, the providers at FEP have a devotion to the region and the people they serve. The turnover rate for providers is 3% a year, a glowing endorsement of the satisfying and challenging work environment.
Well, the good thing with joining FEP is that there's different areas that you can concentrate on if you would like to in any of the departments.
The opportunities I've experienced with FEP have been remarkable.
There's always support for helping you develop your talent.
Emergency medicine trained physician assistants and nurse practitioners are an integral part of what we do at Florida Hospital. These experienced clinicians help our physicians provide expert, compassionate care to all of our patients. Our fine team of providers was here yesterday and will be here tomorrow to ensure quality treatment for those in need.
We want people who are looking to come into FEP to be, this is the last employer. This will be it.
For years, Florida Emergency Physicians and Florida Hospital have had a first-class working relationship.
Having a contract with a hospital for over 40 years is amazing.
Being part of the Adventist health system represents an opportunity for Florida emergency physicians to really put our best foot forward.
Adventist health system is largely based here in Orlando. It's had a system that's had a long tradition of health care.
The Adventist health system does have a mission of extending the healing ministry of Christ. Whether you're religious or not, that mission grounds us in patient care.
The community benefits because this team is able to afford state-of-the-art medical equipment with advanced options.
We have state-of-the-art cardiologists, neurologists, and interventionalists who can intervene and stop disease and help our patients.
But arguably, one of the most important aspects of this team relationship is the ability to lend a human touch to the latest developments in emergency care.
We do a lot of the things that the patient doesn't see to ensure their safety and their environment.
Orlando is growing, so are the healthcare needs of our friends and neighbors. Florida Emergency Physicians and Florida Hospitals, a proven relationship that can be trusted, are committed to delivering skilled medical care while providing a human touch for those in need.
My goal is to treat everybody who needs my help.